Install the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Android app from the link in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. In this video, we will see an example on phasors. Question: simplify the following. So here we have to simplify this sinusoid, or we can say we have to add them. Solution: first of all, we will write what is given. Now here we will convert this into its equivalent standard form. So this is already in standard form, so it will be 5 cos 2t plus 15 degree minus 4. Now here this is in sine form, so we have to convert this into cosine form, then 2t minus 30 degree. Now since we change from sine to cos, then let's go to the basics. So here we can see this is plus cos omega t plus cos omega t. This is minus cos omega t. This is plus sine omega t and this is minus sine omega t. So we are changing from this sine to cosine, and in this direction we have to subtract 90 degree. That means cos omega t minus 90 degree is equal to sine omega t. So here we have to subtract 90 degree. Here we can write since cos omega t minus 90 degree, cos omega t minus 90 degree is equal to sine omega t. Now here this will be 5 cos 2t plus 15 degree minus 4 cos 2t, and this will be minus minus plus, so minus 120 degree. Now both are in standard form, so convert this into phasor domain. This is currently in time domain format, so in phasor domain this will be, so 5 at an angle 15 degree minus 5 at an angle 15 degree minus 4 at an angle minus 120 degree. 5 at an angle 15 degree minus 4 at an angle minus 120 degree. So this is in polar form now. Now we have to convert this into its equivalent rectangular form because we have to add this. So it will be 5 in bracket cos 15 plus j sine 15 minus, similarly for this, 4 in bracket cos minus 120 degree plus j sine minus 120 degree. So this will be 5 in bracket cos 15 plus I into sine, here this bracket close, 5 cos 15 plus I sine 15 bracket close, then minus 4 in bracket cos minus 120 degree bracket close plus I into sine minus 120 bracket close. So it is equal to 6.82 plus 4.75 plus 4.75 j. Now again this is in rectangular form, so we can convert this into its equivalent polar form. We can directly convert this in calculator. So shift 2 3, so it is equal to 8.32 at an angle 34.86 degree. So this is the answer for f of t. Now since it is in sinusoid form, so again we can convert this into sinusoidal form. So f of t is equal to 8.32 cos omega t. The value of omega is, here we can see it is 2. Here also it is 2. So the value of omega is 2t plus 34.86 degree. So this is the final answer for this problem, and this is how we can add sinusoid. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.